Alright, so now the compost is in the boxes. The next step will be, right before we plant, we're going to put just a small layer of topsoil over this. And here's this one. And here's the cucumbers. And this is the only one that has the netting from last year still attached. So what we'll do is, these are going to get cut off about halfway, and all these boxes will get covered in netting about 2 feet up, and that'll just keep the chickens from getting in there and messing with everything. But they're well fed, so I don't think they'll be foraging too much into the boxes, but we will see. Yeah, it's Fluffy and Baby there. See, they're loving this new flight cage. This is the first time this female duck's been out. They love getting into the compost because there's so many worms. So we put a pretty big dent in our compost. We still got about 1/4 of it left on this corner, and that's about what it takes each time we do the garden. And we just made this compost pit out of we had some cement blocks right there, and then the rest of it is just mud wall, which is just, you know, prehistoric style cement. It's just mud, straw, rocks, and stuff like that, mixed with water. And then we used a form